Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, you will learn some problems related to lines and angles on exercise 3.1. So in 3.1, first question is, in the diagram, line AB and CD intersects at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree and angle BOD equals to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So first we will see here what are these angles. So angle AOC, where angle AOC is, angle AOC is this, and angle BOE is this. So sum of these two angles are 70 degree, right? And angle BOD equals to 40 degree. And this angle is 40 degree, which is given. These are given. Now we have to find out angle BOE, where BOE means sum of these two angles are given, but we have to find out this angle and then reflex angle COE. So C, O and E means, let me change ink, then it will be better to understand, which is COE. This is COE. CO and E. This angle you have to find out, right? So first we have to find out this one and then this one. So to find this, we will start from straight line AB. Straight line AB says angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle C. Angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE. COE equals to what? 180 degree. So this is line. Which line we are taking? Line AB. Here. And another line we are taking CD. So in line CD, what we get? Line CD, we get angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD. BOD. That is also 180 degree. So if these two are 180 degrees, so we can write, angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equals to angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD. Right? So this we will put the values of this. So angle AOC we have 70 degree. So here we will write 70 degree plus angle COE here and COE here. This will be cancelled because if you are taking it this side, it will become minus with minus sign. So plus and minus will be cancelled. So we will cut these two. Now angle BOD is 40 degree. So here nothing will be left. We will put equal sign. Angle BOE plus BOD is 40 degree, right? So we will write here 40 degree. So now we will find out, this implies angle BOE equals to 70 degree minus 40 degree. What we will get? 30 degree. So one answer we got, angle BOE. Okay, so this will be of 30 degree angle. We found it. And then we have to find reflex angle COE. So for that, you have to find the angle value of angle COE. Then you can find the angle reflex angle COE, because then you will from complete angle you can subtract this. So for it's very simple to find angle COE. We know this angle, we know sum of this, so this will become 40 because 70 minus 30 equals to 40. Sum of these two we had 70 degree. We find this 30 degree. So now we find that 40 degree means 70 degree minus 30 degree. So this angle will be 40 degree. So now these two angles are 70 degree, and this will we will find this. So these in this we will put the value of AOC plus BOC. So we will find the angle COE. So in that way, angle COE equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So this angle will be 110, means 110 degree. So if this is 110 degree, so now it is very simple to find the reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE equals to 360 degree minus 110 degree. So what will you get? 250 degree. So this angle will be 250 degree. So this and this both we have done. Now example problem 2 of exercise 3.1. In this diagram, line XY and MH intersects at O. Line XY and line MH intersects at point O. This is point O. Okay, I'm changing the ink. Okay. Here I'm taking that. If angle POY equals to 90 degree and A is to B equals to 2:3, in the ratio these two angles are given. So there is no problem. This is 90 degree. This is 90. A is 2x and B is 3x. This is given in the form of this. So we will write in that way. We have angle POY equals to 90 degree. Angle POM equals to, or directly you can write, no confusion, A equals to 2x and B equals to 3x, because A and B is given, so we won't write in that way. So now here in line XY, what you can write? A plus B plus angle POY equals to 180 degree, right? So here 2x plus 3x plus 90 equals to 180 degree. So here 5x equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree equals to 90 degree. So x equals to, you have to divide 90 by this 5. So what will you get? 18 degree. Clear? Now you got the value of x. Now what you have to find? You have to find the value of c. So for c, if you are taking line MN, right? Line MN, there is angle B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So what you have to find by this? You have to find only angle B. So B, therefore, you can write here, therefore B equals to 3x equals to 18 into 3 or 3 into 18, 54 degree. So here you can write, this implies 54 degree plus C equals to 180 degree. This implies C equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree equals to, what will you get? 6, and here 7, 2, 126 degree. So the value of C is 126 degree. We got it. In next question. Next question is, in the diagram, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So angle PQR given, angle PQR equals to angle, these two are equal. We can write in that way if these are equal. Then prove that angle PQS means this angle, and this angle are equal, PRT. So for that, again, we will do one thing. We will solve. First, we will write here in two straight lines, in straight line ST, in line S. Okay, what you can write? You can write angle PQR plus angle PQS equals to, you have to write very carefully these angles name, because in small mistake everything will be changed. So this and what you can write, this is also in same line. These angles are also on same line. These are linear pair of angles. Here you can write linear pair, right? And these are also linear pair of angles. So you can write in there angle PRQ plus angle PRT equals to 180 degree. So we can write angle PQR plus angle PQS equals to, because this equals to this, first we will write in same way, PRQ plus angle PRT. Now here it is given PQR equals to PRQ. So either you can write PRQ here or you can write PQR here. So I am writing it same, PQR plus angle PQS equals to angle, here also I am writing PQR plus PRT. Now this is same, this will be cancelled. So what we will get? We will get angle PQS equals to angle PRT. So this is hence proved. We have proved this. In next question, in the diagram, if x plus y equals to y plus z, then prove that AOB is a straight line. So here the x, W, X, Y, Z, these are the angles and these are forming all together a complete angle. So we can write x plus y plus w plus z equals to 360 degree. We can write complete angle. Okay, so now it says if x plus y equals to w plus z. So in place of w plus z, we can write x plus y. Clear? So what we got? 2x plus y, we got 2 into x plus y. This is 360. So x plus y equals to 180 degree. We will divide this 360 by this 2. So we will get 180 degree. So now if x plus y makes 180 degree, that means these are lying on this AB. So these are linear pair. As x and y makes linear pair of angles, then it is proved that AOB is a line. Hence proved. Okay. In fifth question, in the diagram, POQ is a line, a ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. So prove that angle ROS equals to 1 by 2 angle into angle QOS minus angle POS. So here in the diagram, POS is a straight line and this is 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. So what we can write, this is also 90 degree, isn't it? Yes, it is. So here we can write POQ is a straight line. Don't go with my writing because my handwriting even though that is not so beautiful, and if I'm writing in it, computer, that is like you only can understand. So here POQ is a straight line. Then we can write angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROQ. ROQ. Q. Yes, okay. ROQ equals to 180 degree. Clear? So if we are writing here, we have something means value of ROQ is 90 degree, right? And here ROS is same, POS is same. So here, if you can write this angle POS plus angle ROS plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So you can write angle POS. Right, yeah. So POS plus angle ROS equals to 90 degree. We have subtracted 90 from this 180. So we get this. Now what we will do? This is angle 5. So here now we will come to the question number 5. In the diagram, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. So here we see in the diagram, line POQ is a straight line. This is a straight line, right? This is straight line POQ, and ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. So this is OR. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. And then another OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Here, so what to prove? We have to prove angle ROS. ROS is, this is ROS. Angle ROS is equals to half of the angle QOS, this QOS minus POS, minus this. Clear? So we will go ahead with the help of this line PQ. We can write angle POS plus angle ROS plus, we are taking actually SOR if we will write, so we will get confused. So just I was seeing in which way this angle has been written. So angle ROS plus angle ROQ equals to 180 degrees. So here we get angle POS plus angle ROS equals to 90 degree, if I can write directly, because this is of 90 degree angle, and when you will get it here 180 minus 90, it will become 90 degree angle. You can write the equation 1. Now we can write angle ROS plus angle ROQ equals to angle QOS. Why did we take this angle? Because we have to prove we have to take this angle, right? So what is QOS? We can write it that way, or you can write QOS equals to or minus angle POS or ROS. What you have to write? So here which angle is of 90 degree? ROQ. So you can take it in same way. Here you can write angle 90 degree This you can write in 90 degree, and this we will take that side. So angle QOS minus angle ROS equals to 90 degree. This will become equation 2. So now from 1 and 2, we can see that these two are equal. So we can write from equation 1 and 2, what we can write? Angle POS plus angle ROS equals to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Now what we will do, this ROS will become this side. We will take this side, and this POQ we will take this side. So what will happen? This implies 2 angle ROS becomes angle QOS minus angle POS. Is it clear what I did here? What I did? This was in minus sign. So when I am taking it to the another side, it will become plus. So ROS plus ROS will become 2 ROS, right? And for this I have written in same form. And what I did next, angle POS I have taken to another side because this is with plus sign. So this will become here with minus sign. So this implies angle ROS equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Now you can see what to prove. So if it is same, so that means we have already proved. It's proved. Okay. In next question, it is given angle XYZ equals to 64 and XY is produced to point P. XYZ is 64, which is given here, and XY is produced to point P, means this is extended to point P. Clear? And then here, draw a figure from the given information. So we have drawn here already, but from this I will draw it for you here. XYZ is of 64 degree. This is of 64 degree. And XY is produced to point P. This is producing XY, this is X, and this is Y. This is produced to point P. And now draw a figure. We have drawn this. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, XYZ, this is Z. I forgot to write it, XYZ, so XYZ is a 64. So here, if ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, where is ZYP? ZYP, this is the angle, and YZ is bisecting, means this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Bisecting means you are making it two equal parts. So here this angle will, these two angles will be equal when this YQ bisects it. So this is the Y, sorry, this is the Q. Sorry, oh my God, so much. Okay, so I'm erasing it, no problem. So here in the question it says YQ bisects ZYP, angle ZYP. So that means this angle will be equal to this angle. Clear? Yeah. Find XYQ. What is XYQ? X, Y, and Q. So which angle we have to find out? We can show here with different ink, so it will be easy to understand. Angle XYQ, we have to find out this angle, right? And reflex angle QYP, QYP, reflex angle QYP from here to here. These two angles we have to find out. And what we know, that matters. So we know that angle XYZ, only one angle we know right now. And another thing we know, if we are finding this angle, so these two angles will be equal, so we can divide into two parts. So this is very simple. Line XY, XYP, what you can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equals to 180 degree. Clear? These two angles are in this. If you are finding these two, total of these two angles, it will be easy for you. So we are finding total and this is given. So this implies angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equals to 180 degree minus 64 degree. Clear? So what you will get here? Here we will get 6 and then 116 degree, right? 116 degree. Which angle? We are getting total of these two angles. Matlab means this and this you are getting 116. And because these YQ bisects these angles, these two angles in these two. Okay, these two angles. So that means one angle will be of 58 degree, right? So because angle ZYQ equals to angle QYP equals to what will come? You will divide it into this. So this implies that angle ZYQ equals to 58 degree. Okay, ZYQ is 58 degree, and so we have to find out this angle. So now to find out angle XYQ equals to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So angle XYZ is 64, which is given, and this we have found out 58. We have got it. So here 8 plus 4, 2, 11 and 122 degree it will come. Angle XYQ equals to 122 degree. One answer we got XYQ. Second is reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle, to find out reflex angle, if you are subtracting this in complete angle, which angle you will come, you have to, because you have to find out this. So from this angle, if you are subtracting from 360, you are subtracting this 58 degree angle. So we will get angle QYP. So QYP equals to complete angle 360 degree minus angle QYP, which is 58 degree. 360 degree minus 58 degree. So what we will get here? We will get here 302 degree. QYP. So we got the answer. So I will complete this video here because exercise 3.1 has been completed, and now for more videos you have to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Till then, keep watching and have fun. Bye.